Hey there, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more amazing and exciting videos.
Hello everyone, I Rukmini Sharma welcomes you all in my channel Suffer with Rukmini Sharma, and if in case you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and go ahead with the video. So now let's talk about today's video. Now in today's video we will be telling you about my no makeup look, but actually a makeup look. So here what do I do, what things that I apply, and how do I create that particular look. So now here this no makeup look normally I do whenever I just have to go out and randomly I am just stepping out of my house, and I don't want my face to look dull, and I don't want myself to look tired. I want myself to feel fresh when I'm stepping out for any XYZ reason. So for that time it really helpful, you just have to put two things together and you will be all done, you will be all set to go out. And very most important thing in this process, your laziness, it just goes away and you feel automatically fresh. By the time you put these two things together on your face, you automatically feel fresh, and by the time you leave out of your house, you're all set to go. Okay, so this a quick makeup tips and a quick makeup but no makeup look really helpful in that case. And if you are not going for any party, any shadi or any kind of function, this is really helpful. Okay, so let's not just wait, just quickly get into the video and understand how we can create this particular look. See you there. So let's move towards our very first step, where I will be using a primer, and I will be taking very little of it because I don't want my skin to be more oily. Okay, and I'm using for that, I'm using Joy. With primer, I will be using a secondary product that will be a CC cream from Lakme. Before that, also do not forget to use a bit of primer on your lip and on your neck. Okay, and let's move towards our secondary product, that will be a CC cream. Depending on the you know quantity, or depending on how heavy you want this to be look, you will be taking the quantity and just apply all over your face. And of course don't forget to your neck area, because that is also equally very important. Okay, and you'll have to blend it thoroughly. Also you can use a blender for that matter, but if in case you don't want, that's complete. And I've just completed the blending part properly. Okay, and once it is done, it is completely up to you if you want to use compact or you don't want to use compact. Okay, so if in case you have really oily skin, I would request you to go ahead with compact part. And if in case you don't have, it's completely fine if you don't want to use compact. Here I'm just using it a bit just to settle down the um, CC cream that I have used. Otherwise it's completely fine, it is really optional if you want to go ahead with it or you don't want to go ahead with it. Okay, now next comes your lips part. For that I am just using a lip balm, normal lip balm. You can use whichever lip balm you want to use. Okay, and then for eye part which comes, you can go ahead for any of the eyeliner, and just make sure it should not be too heavy. If in case you're applying, so yeah, that's it. And this is what I do, like the very basic makeup. I don't do much here, and a bit of the kajal that I apply, and I applied, and that's it. I mean, this is what my go-to makeup that I normally prefer doing. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if there is any sort of comment for me, And if you have liked this video, please do give thumbs up and like, share and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. And yes, see you soon in the next video. Great day, stay.
ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਟੇਡੀ ਟੇਡੀ ਤੱਕਣੀ ਕਮਾਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਸਵਾਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ हाँ तेरी टेडी टेडी तकनी कमाल कर गई अखा ना तू सवाल कर गई अखा ना तू सवाल कर गई बेली दे किन्ने मरदे ने ते किन्ने पहला तुम्हारे हाय नी हाय नखरा तेरा नी हाई रेटेड गबरू मारे